Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking. Change some things around, switch some things up in the kitchen, trying to get a different view. So these are all cheap. This is like $1.70 something, $1.69, $1.59, something like that. Right here's the price for the Duncan Hines. This one's Betty Crocker just because I bought it a few weeks ago, but I had them nonetheless. I'm going to show you how to make a simple 3-ingredient cake. But we're going to play a game. We're going to play what can we create? Because it's going to be a 3-ingredient cake, okay? So we're going to have cake mix. I got a bunch of eggs here. And for this first one, we're going to make a black forest cake with cherries. Cherry pie filling. The second one, we're going to make a lemon blueberry cake. For this final one, we're going to make a caramel apple carrot cake. Because I figure why not. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Got my blue bowl. This is dark chocolate fudge. Fudge. I'm excited about this, y'all. We're going to take it. We're going to bake it. So just cut your cake mix up. Pour it on into your bowl. The festivities, we got our tree up too. And we got our Christmas stuff out. Axel was very insistent upon it. So we just did it. Figure why not? So I'm going to add 4 eggs into this. Uno. Yeah. Dos. Tres. Cuatro. Just going to open my cherries. It's going to I was sitting there thinking about it when I was looking at these 3-ingredient cakes. And I was like, what would go good with cherry? And so I was playing around with the ideas of different things. And I love Black Forest cake. Love it. And I was like, I can make a mockery or a mock Black Forest cake. Why not? And it'd be good. Be very good. Very good. Go off-roading a little bit with it. Yeah, they mixed up. My dear friends, his birthday is actually tomorrow. One of the guys I work with. And so I'm making him a cake. I'm making my neighbors a cake. And then I'm making one of us a cake. So I figured might as well bring y'all along with us. Oh, cherry! I've been cherried! Alright, bam! In my aluminum pan. And then I'm going to dump my delicious goodness on in to my aluminum pan. Just spread it on out. Put mine on a pan. Go ahead and throw this in the oven. We'll get started on the next. Next, please. We got perfectly moist lemon supreme. For the love of the lemons. Let's go ahead and get this one on open. I love lemons, and I honestly thought about doing lemon with lemon pie filling, but I felt it might be a bit abrasive, a bit much. What are some other great combinations you guys can think of? I'm all open for ideas. Because these are perfect. They're cheap cakes, easy to make. Oh, we changed it, baby. You can come over here now. I changed it around. Yep. See, the camera's right there now. Yeah. You like it? You want to crack one egg? Well, let me get a bowl so you can crack it, okay? A little bit harder. Nope. Pull it apart. Just grab it and then pull. Just like that. I just need one more. I think. No, I need two more. Gotta do a little bit more. Perfect. Another one? So I want you to go just like, yeah. And grab it. Perfect. That's it. We're just gonna pour it on into there. Just like that. And we're gonna mix it on in. Oh, we're gonna add in some blueberries though. Oh, oh. You wanna taste it? That's good. Mm-hmm. Lemons with blueberries. Oh, that's gonna be good. Okay, I got it. Let me try. Making cake. Oh yeah. Blueberry lemon cake. Yummy, yummy. Is it? Other aluminum pan down. Well, you're getting it outside the pan. We don't want it outside the pan. There you go, nice and gentle. One is a carrot cake. Okay. Grab it down here. And then we just pour it. No, 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 no. We don't shake it like that. Look, you just grab it like this and you just lift up. Okay. Ooh, it smells good, don't it? It smells good, don't it? No, you don't need to put your fingers in it. Okay, we'll crack it. Right here. Now use your little bowl. Good. And you use eggs. Wow, no shells. Good. I left one more egg for you. And remember, do it hard. There you go. No, no, you don't have to do it one time. Look, you got a big old hole. Now just pull it apart. Just like that. See? You killed it. Apple pie filling. Uh-huh. So we're just going to dump it. This is caramel apple. All right, this one's smelling absolutely fantastic. My little helper dipped out on me. It do be what it do be. I don't have any more aluminum pan bowls or dishes, so into the glass dish. The apples should be interesting because all the other ones were berries, like little berries and stuff. And I have full apples left in this, so I'm interested to see what it ends up like. I really actually am. Botched job, so we're gonna fix it up, make it look a little bit better. It's finally cooled. I was just impatient. I was excited, but we learned, you know. So this is our Black Forest cherry cake. Simple 3-ingredient cake. You can't beat. Cherry pie filling, chocolate fudge cake mix, and some eggs. Technically, with the frosting, it's 4 ingredients, but you can't have cake without frosting. So this is a buttercream on cherry. So this is what I call our Black Forest trash can cake. That's the nickname for it. I like that name, Black Forest trash can cake. Mainly because it's in an aluminum pan. Now this here is our lemon blueberry cake. For that, we have some creme chaz frosting. So lemon blueberry with a cream cheese frosting. You guys will name the lemon blueberry one. I've named the Black Forest cake the Black Forest trash can cake. I want you guys to come up with a name for the blueberry lemon one, or the lemon cake with the blueberry pie filling. That's y'all's job to come up with a name for that one. Okay. The final one, the apple pie carrot cake. That's right, apple pie carrot cake. Came out a little weird, little Notre Dame a bit, Hunchback of Notre Dame. You know, it smells amazing. I'm not gonna lie. It smells amazing. Finish this cream cheese frosting off. And just like that, y'all, we have the middle cake, which you guys are going to name. I need you to come up with a great, brilliant name for our blueberry lemon zest cake, whatever we're going to call it. And we can also come up one with the apple or the carrot cake, apple pie filling one. Trash can Black Forest. That's my name for this one. Call it what you want. I'm about to call my neighbors and make them a very happy night. So, y'all, it's easy. Those cake boxes are under $2, $1 something. Apple pie filling, blueberry, whatever, or that was a caramel apple that I got. I think it was like $3. The rest were $2.50 at Walmart. And I actually had the blueberry pie already. So, y'all, it's simple, it's easy. I actually had all these cake mixes. It's whatever you have. If you don't have pie filling, just get pie filling and then utilize the rest. It's 3 ingredients. If you want to add frosting, that's 4. Plain and simple, y'all. Can't get much easier than this. Something for the holidays if you're looking to make a fast, easy cake. I made 3 cakes in an hour. An hour. Not bad. Not bad. I'm not a professional decorator. Never claimed to be one. We've seen my other cake videos. We all know. But y'all, I love you. I hope you like this new setup. Thank you for all the likes, comments, support, y'all. I appreciate it. We've gotten to a point with it, with YouTube, with this channel, with y'all, with this community that I'm blown away about. I'm truly blown away. And I love y'all so much. And thank y'all for watching my videos. You guys are truly amazing for your support. Just trying to bring those fun, easy videos, easy meals that aren't going to break the bank. There's something simple and easy. for a family because I'm the only one working, and my wife takes care of our two children. We've had a bunch of medical stuff with her for over 3 years as a result of why she does stay home. And, it's God's will. God is amazing. I love you. Catch you in the next one.